I bet you never knew that watermelon contains all these health benefits. In addition to watermelon containing lots of water to hydrate your body, it also contains lycopene, which protects cells from damage. Lycopene keeps the heart healthy, and for men, it keeps their prostate healthy. Watermelon also contains citrulline, which improves blood flow. So citrulline is especially good for athletes because it reduces muscle soreness and helps to restore muscles. And citrulline, because it improves blood flow, it's good for the heart. So watermelon is very good to keep your heart healthy. Watermelon also, as you already know, improves digestion. Watermelon keeps the skin and eyes healthy also. And watermelon contains vitamins A and C and other nutrients. So make sure you eat watermelon today. It is good for your digestive system. It is also good for your heart. It is good for your kidney, and it's good for your liver. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to this channel to watch very informative videos like this. Like and share this video with your family. God bless you. See you next time. Cheers.